I used to get emails from eBay letting me know what bikes were available for instant purchase. I received an email one day which showed a Kawasaki GTR1000 that was up for sale for £1,095. This particular bike was only a few years old and looked to be in really nice condition, so I instantly bought it. I sent an email to the owner telling him that I was going to come and pick it up on Saturday. He emailed me back and told me that he had got really annoyed with the bike and in a fit of rage had put it on eBay because he was fed up with it. He had then gone to work, he worked nights, and during the night he'd calmed down and realised that the worst thing he could do was sell the bike. So he decided that when he got home he would cancel the advert. When he got home, of course, he saw that he'd sold it to me. He honoured the sale, which is really good of him because he could have easily have said that he wasn't going to sell it. I went along to see him. It was in Wiltshire somewhere. I picked the bike up and brought it back. It didn't run very well and the exhaust was totally shot, rotten. Even though the bike wasn't that old, it was rotten. So I decided, strip it down, find out what it needs, get it done. Getting an exhaust for a GTR1000 in England is nigh impossible because every GTR1000 here has a rotten exhaust. I tried, but basically I very quickly decided it was a waste of time. So I started looking further afield and by pure luck I found in Colorado a chap who was breaking a GTR1000, or Concours as they're known in America. The exhaust on his bike was absolutely immaculate because in Colorado they don't have rust. So he said that he would send it over to me. I can't remember how much it was, but it was not very much. And it came to England absolutely pristine. Amazingly, at the same time, I had also made inquiries at another place in America, a shop, and they had an exhaust as well that was also in superb condition and dirt cheap, so I bought that as well. So then I had two exhausts here in England and one bike. So the answer's simple. I sold one of them instantly to an avid UK GTR1000 owner and made enough money to pay for the other one. So the exhaust on my bike cost me nothing. You can see I stripped the bike down, cleaned it all up and essentially made it look really, really nice. Put the exhaust system on, took the carbs off, cleaned all the carbs up and reset them up so that the engine ran superb. Then the bike was ready for an MOT. So I decided, take it for an MOT, ride it, then sell it. While it was being MOT'd, I had a look round the showroom of the shop where I had it done, and inside the showroom they had an absolutely immaculate BMW 1150 GS in yellow. What a lovely bike. My wife, who was with me at the time, said, why don't you buy it? You like it, so buy it. So I had a chat with the chap that was doing the MOT and asked him if they would be interested in doing a Part X on the GTR1000, and sure enough they gave me £4,000 for it, which I took the GS home, gave him some money, took the GS home and basically ended up with a GS for less than £2,000 when you consider what I spent on the GTR, buying it, fixing it and MOTing it. So I was very, very happy. Shame really that I didn't ride the GTR too much, because they are fantastic bikes. But so is the 1150 GS.